In today's video, I'll show you how to use packages in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you offer multiple sessions, coaching programs, memberships, or service bundles, packages can help you increase sales while making booking more convenient for your clients. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions section from the left side menu. Here, you can view existing packages or create a new one if you haven't already set one up. A package allows clients to purchase multiple appointments in advance. For example, instead of buying one session at a time, a client can purchase a package that includes 5 or 10 sessions at a discounted price. To create a package, click New Package and enter the package name, price, and the number of appointments included. Next, choose which appointment types the package can be used for. You can also set an expiration date if you want clients to use their sessions within a certain period. Once everything is configured, save the package and make it available on your booking page. Now clients can purchase the package directly from your scheduling page. After a package is purchased, the client receives a package code automatically. When booking an appointment, they can enter that package code during checkout. Acuity will then apply one of the available sessions from the package instead of charging them again. As clients continue booking appointments, the remaining session balance is tracked automatically within their package. You can monitor package purchases, usage history, and remaining appointments from the Packages, Gifts, and Subscriptions section of your dashboard. Before offering packages to clients, test the purchase and redemption process to ensure everything works correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use packages in Acuity Scheduling and provide clients with a flexible way to book multiple services. And that's how you use packages in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.